Hello, this is Ron, VK2DQ, and this is the first tutorial for the Practical Amateur Radio Assessment. In these tutorials, I'm going to be taking you through a walkthrough of your practical assessment. You'll also find drill software associated with these tutorials that will test you on the knowledge you need to know to pass your practical assessment. Let's have a look at the assessment document itself. This slide is of the actual practical assessment document that you'll be assessed with during your exam. It's called Form 4. It's available from the Radio and Electronics School website. It's also available from the Wireless Institute of Australia website as well. What's important is what this document means in terms of your assessment. There are altogether 20 elements of competency, and they're written in the left-hand column. So competency 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, right through to competency 20. Now, you should download and print this document for yourself. You should also download and print the LCD, and if you're watching this video on a DVD or a CD-ROM, you'll find a document folder, and in that document folder you will find the practical assessment check sheet, and you'll also find the LCD. I would suggest you print both of them. Let's have a look at the practical assessment sheet. It has 4 columns. The first column, and they're numbered, and there are 20 of them, so there are 20 elements of competency. These are the things on the left-hand side, they're bolded as well, that you have to demonstrate to an assessor that you are competent in. And they go 1 to 20. I'll just do a quick slide down. And they go all the way to 20. Now, what we're going to be doing in these tutorials is going through each one of those elements of competency and showing you diagrams and explaining to you what you need to do to be considered competent in each element of competency. The middle column shows the method that the assessor may use to test you. For example, the identification of common cable types. The method the assessor may use is using physical examples, that's real cables, or photographs or diagrams of common coaxial and parallel transmission lines provided to the candidate. So he's either going to show you photographs, he's either going to show you real photos or drawings and ask you to identify common coaxial and parallel line types. And on the right-hand column is the performance criteria. This is your performance. This is what you need to do. Identify correctly 3 types of transmission line as coaxial or parallel line. Codes, example RG58, are not required. So all you really need to do is identify whether it's coaxial cable or parallel line. That's so important, because this is what you're being tested on. The third column, the third column is your performance, what you're expected to do. The middle column is the methods by which the assessor can test you, and the first column is the element of competency being tested. In these tutorials, they should be fairly short. We're going to be going through each one of the elements of competency, 1 to 20, and we'll also be providing you with some drill software to test yourself on the tutorial as well.